You're so
Yeah,
fucking
you say the
stupid.
same
You
shit
think you're
over and
cool? You
over.
think you're cool because you fucking vape. Bro,
We have Guanto in the lobby.
Kyle, shut up. Go maybe. Then you'll get something fucking done.
Oh!
God
What do you
damn.
say?
Wait,
Guys, here today.
What do you say?
He's not a cool.
Oh my god, this is about to be a content game!
Alright,
It's like,
Literally every time Kyle takes a fucking
oh my
step,
gosh,
I can feel
put
it
him.
here.
I put him to 50% and he just like.
oh my god, does this fucking hurt your ears, you tiny ass fucking crib?
Alright.
We all have those moments sometimes.
Well, Kyle's just denies that he said.
I don't have those moments where I Sam. I'm sorry, but I don't.
Dude!
We all have those more frankly.
You guys bullied him out of the chat, dude. Unlucky.
Hey, Andrew, do you hear that? Andrew, do you hear that?
Yeah.
I just called
I'm
the
gonna go to my
police on the
boyfriend
way.
Andrew. I'm gonna go to my boyfriend.
You don't know what fucking pubic hair is. You literally take
Yeah,
like,
you're
you know
right,
those
I don't
fake
have any.
eyelashes that
You're
girls
right,
get? You take those and like put them on your chin and try and make it look like you're actually growing facial hair.
Yeah, you're right. I don't have
I like how me, Nick, and Andrew just sitting here listening to this.
Hey Kyle, can you spell any one of Dr. Seuss's books from front to
Yeah, YZX A3. Yeah.
back? I figured.
There was a number in that word.
Thank you. I'm gonna shove
Good.
a penis on my throat.
That wouldn't be the first time you did
Dude,
it.
I honestly
Yeah,
would
you're
like
right.
that.
Sam, I'm sure you've done that suggestion before.
Oh, say swear, you have a YouTube?
Yeah. Google.
How many subs do you have?
I have one.
Hey, dude, everyone starts somewhere, my guy.
Yeah. Go Google Bang Gang.
Don't say I have one. Say I got one, bro. I got one,
bro.
I got one.
bro. Hey, there we go. I got one, bro.
Everyone
Yeah,
starts
Google
somewhere,
Bang
my
Gang.
guy.
I'm watching your video.
Okay, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think.
It's funny, but there should be a volume warning.
It what?
There should be a volume warning in front of your video.
Oh, okay. My bad. Watch this retake, boys.
I believe. One time.
Hey, for the YouTube.
Yes, sir. Omen,
Yo, what's up, man?
was it good?
Yeah.
What do you think? Like, how can I make it better though?
I'll give it a 6 or 7 out of 10.
That is so sad. That's so sad.
Honestly, I'm like a 28-year-old man, so a lot of those jokes don't land for me.
Oh, okay.
I can see how it could be funny for other people. You know?
Okay. I'm sorry. That's just so sad. You said something. It's good. I mean, I'll give it a 6. How can I improve the content? You feel me?
You know. Thank you, viewers.
I said so. It's 2 a.m. I'm about to go beat my.
Yeah, I'm about to go, and that's fine. I mean, I get that. That's funny.
You said I get that.
We set the tempo.
Yeah, I get it.
This guy, bro.
Come on, let's go!
For you. One enemy remaining.
Last one.
Hey, you have the bomb.
Sage, can you please plant?
Yeah, you get plenty of guys now. CT.
Last player standing.
Hey, see that one goes on YouTube right there.
Let's go, baby! That's going into the content. That's going in for the content. We're gonna pick up this skin real quick. Let's go into the content real quick. You see that?
Volume warning, guys.
Bro, you see like that flash and then the instant headshot? Oh my god, that was nice, bro. That was nice!
Last player standing.
Alright, hold up. Tell me after I clutch.
Jets on top, over by heaven. That's Spike. You can literally chill.
3, 2, 1. I have wall axe, by the way. I just toggled.